Ciao world! This time I've repaired this vacuum here. It's called Folletto and it's the VK-140. It comes with all those accessories. I have taken this because it's in a good shape, and did when I opened it there wasn't big sign of dust, but it doesn't work. When I opened it, I found that there wasn't the standard AC brushless motor, but it has some kind of motor that has to be driven with an electronic board, and the electronic board was damaged. The motor is a switched reluctance motor, and the damage was the low to high side driver. So let's see inside this. This is the motor, and I try to start this, but you can hear this sound if I try to start. I don't know if you can hear. Can you hear it? It's try to start, but it doesn't start. Let me unplug this, and if you see, the motor can spin, and so there's something wrong with the electronic or the coils. Let me check the coils. So it should be this with this, and is 1.4 ohm. Nothing. And 1.4 ohm. So this should be a switched reluctance motor with 2 coils, and so let's check if there's something wrong with the electronic. So let's check shorts on those IGBT that are bipolar transistor and diodes. Those 4 are the transistor and those 4 the diode. No. 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 Seems that we haven't got any shorts. This is the diode. Let me check the diode. This one. And let me put this in diode mode. This should be the cathode. This is the anode. No. Okay, these two. No. Working and working. So there something else. There's something else wrong here. Or I don't know. I can check with the scope if there's something out from the base of those transistors that are driven by this microchip, I think. This is the scope I'm going to use, and it is connected to one coil of the motor. Then I'm going to check the other coil of the motor. I am using this portable scope with a probe to 10 because it has 50 volts max, and with a probe of 10 we can check above 500, and we see there you can see some spike, and you see this is the couple of spike that the clicky sound we can hear. Now maybe you cannot hear the clicky sound. Let's see on the other side if we can hear or we can see the spike. Let's try to power it on, plug in, no spike. So I think there's something with this coil that doesn't work. I think I found the issue. There's a couple of high to low side driver here. One is one that I have soldered because I think is the guilty, and these two drivers drive the transistor here, and I have noticed that this diode here has continuity on both sides, so there's something wrong with the transistor or the driver, and I have the soldered transistor and they are okay, and the driver is not okay. So I have ordered a few, and as soon as they has been delivered here, I will mount here and check. I have soldered the two low to high side driver, and look here. It works!